Set the table with us, eco-friendly edition. First, we're gonna cover the table with an Airlaid paper tablecloth. We're gonna start each place setting with this disposable woven print rattan dining mat. Now we're gonna place with our reusable, recyclable, and disposable plates, our Airlaid paper napkins, our disposable cutlery, cups, and we can't forget our cute little bamboo dessert plates and skewers. Decorate with any flowers or greenery or candles of your liking, and voila! You have a completely eco-friendly table setting for your next party.